Watch this video to the end and you'll know exactly how to fix laggy playback in Premiere Pro. Hey there everybody, I hope you're all well. I'm Leon and I produce content every week focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and entrepreneurship. So in this video we're going to be learning all about how to fix laggy playback in Premiere Pro. And we're going to be doing this using 3 specific methods. So be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. But without any further hesitation, let's jump into this video. Okay everybody, so Premiere Pro is now on, as you can see. And what we've got here is some stock footage of a car. Right, so what we're going to do first is obviously drop it onto the timeline. First way is to basically get your mouse, click and hold, and then drag it across, and then you'll see this like white box. So do that, and then come to sequence and click render into out, and this will render it full on, so then it's smooth playback. The second way of doing this is by coming over to this tab, this thing right here called select playback resolution. So you got options such as full, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16. So just click on 1/4, and then sort of smooth, if you will. It's still playing, but it's not actually lagging at all. And the third and final way of doing this is by coming over to sequence settings, and changing the frame size or resolution, if you will, from 1080p to something like 1280 by 720. There we are, so it's still 16.9 or 16 to 9. Now click on it, and essentially it should be a lot more easier to play, if you will. Hold on. And now you shouldn't have any laggy playback in Premiere Pro. And that right there is the end of the video. If you wish to see more of this content, then make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. Leave a like as it's good for the algorithm and search results. Comment down below any video ideas, and the best one will be pinned as top comment. And share this video around to help it gain more attention. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.